Welcome to the Lanterns Festival in Taoyuan in Taiwan. It's raining, but this, what you see in front of me, looks like the best light show I've probably ever visited. I'm not gonna lie, the weather isn't perfect. We can get some nice reflections because it's completely wet and raining. But this just went for a paddle. But this is really impressive. I love the big light beams that are going into the sky. So many different art installations, light installations. These light beams behind me, I don't know if they come across in video, but they do look so cool. It's an amazing place. It's just, all of us are soaking wet. It's only rain, I don't mind, but it's just a little bit miserable. If it was wet, just with the reflections but no rain, that would be perfect. There's a live performance going on. Big crowds. If it wasn't for the puddles and my socks being wet, I would actually not mind it. But yeah, now actually my socks are wet and there's a lot of puddles that with all the lights you sometimes don't look down where you're walking and you just can't see, and you walked into a puddle and it was deep. Overall, this square is absolutely massive. The buildings are illuminated all around the square. They look amazing. I would just love to come here to just take architectural photos. Amazing festival. Rain at the moment. Cats and dogs, honestly, cats and dogs. I'm gonna walk the perimeter to show you some of the light installations. Hopefully we're gonna get closer to the beams. I mean, I wouldn't mind shooting a time lapse or two, and there is a location where I might be dry and shoot a time lapse. I can see a big Ikea store with a third floor where maybe we can get to by the window and shoot a time lapse of this place there. Fingers crossed, let's do it. We have infiltrated Ikea. Joe joined me. Fantastic view of the Lantern Festival, and we're waiting for a big something to happen to the snake.
Snake's going to be illuminated, I think.
The infinity snake, because it looks like an infinity snake, yeah. Snake's going to be illuminated, maybe some other light beam fireworks or whatever, lasers will happen. We don't know what's going to happen, but something's going to happen at 7. It's 10 past 7. We've got our cameras set up. Timelapse is running, cameras filming. Yeah, let's see what happens.
I was born in year of the snake. This is year of the earth snake. So something's going to happen. Maybe the rain will stop.
Yeah, no, that ain't going to happen. It would be rude, but can I just relax? This is not a bad shooting spot, actually.
I've taken a nap.
Just take a nap. I'm actually quite tired. I have time lapse from worse places.
Where's the worst place you've time lapsed?
Probably somewhere in the rain, like as if I was to be there. I had to time lapse in the rain.
Crowd or something.
And shortly after, it was time for the main show. So sit back and relax for the next 3 minutes for a mix of live video and the time lapse from this amazing event.
That actually worked out pretty amazingly. Joe has now left, but I just changed the positioning of the time-lapse and decided to shoot a wide angle but vertical 20mm just to get more of the beams time-lapse, because some of the light beams are actually moving. Once this time-lapse will finish, I'm gonna go down street level, get wet again, join the rest of the group, and then back on the high-speed train to Taipei.